I get them for different fish. For here, I can't lie, madam. I get them for fish, different fish. I get them for madam. They sell for I they sell a goosey. I they sell them for waiting. I be this. I they sell them for vegetable. I they sell them for crayfish. Big crayfish, small crayfish. I they sell them for waiting. I be this. Agbolo. Hey, I they sell them for agbolo. Agbolo I dey. Agusi I dey. Big crayfish I dey. Vegetable I dey. Crayfish I dey. Fefe I dey. Fish, different type of fish I dey. Everybody I want to buy them for here online. Madam, I go sell them well for you. Hey, madam, they sell fefe. I dey sell agusi. I dey sell it. I dey sell it. One minute.
Crayfish.
One crayfish. I dey sell crayfish. I dey sell vegetable. I dey sell fish. Buy, madam, I go sell them. Yawa.
Hello everybody, you know they hear Aboki voice. Aboki don't do a vato. Aboki say me una come dey patronize me oh. Make una come dey patronize me saying they sell pepper, I dey sell pepper, I dey sell big crayfish, I dey sell egusi, I dey sell ogbolo, you dey see I dey sell pumpkin leaf, everything wey you ask for e dey. And that one small crayfish to ground ogbolo. This one a pepper life in Ugoni Ekorioma, coming from Ugoni Ekorioma. You see from my village that pepper is coming from. Even the pumpkin leaf, bitter leaf is finished, so that one will soon be here by God's grace. So you can see pumpkin leaf day and a bevarie. You see bevarie day, as you can see a bevarie day. And ribo day, all this one when I tie na ewi, all those one when I tie na ewi. So make una come dey patronize Osawe ni gazo wege. Una come dey patronize Osawe ni gazo wege. So fresh, nice, amazing ebe varie. Mona come patronize Queen. Mona patronize Osawe ni gazo wege business empire. Mona inbox me. The one wona define. Mona inbox me. Mona inbox me. Una sharp. I'll post and call on doorstep. Mona inbox me. If na ogbolo. The ogbolo they draw, not be small. They draw, Hey, when I use a cook, na see that day now when I cook ogbolo soup, it they draw well, not be say na like. So you na see when I dey cook ogbolo soup that day, the ogbolo really they draw. If you eat ogbolo, you know say na ogbolo you eat. This one not be cambiakwa. This one na re ogbolo, and this one are handmade egusi. You see as I sit dey okay, it dey fresh well. Handmade egusi and big crayfish. This is pumpkin leaf. If you use this pumpkin leaf, take cook ogbolo soup. Wow. This pumpkin leaf, use and cook ogbolo soup. You can't use this pepper. Take cook. Use this pepper. Now small you they use now, cause they hot well not be small. Ribo day. Now see fresh ribo. Bone not there inside the fish. Like it be like bushmeat if you dey eat some. Very nice. Mona, not worry. A lot of things is coming on the way. Why there? A lot of things is coming. Anything where you define dry shaki for Nigeria shaki. I know they see when they use the shaki. Dry shaki. It dey anyone where you want. Bushmeat it dey snail. It dey come for road. Make una wait. Those one they come for road. Do you see snail, periwinkle, all of them they come for road. Iru, dawa, oziza leaf, ebewewea, even a roots you defile a day, roots for fever, all of the day. So make you inbox Osawe ni gazo wege. Granite wey dey bottle is still there. Anyone where you want, just inbox Queen and I will bring it to your doorstep. God bless you all my people. And I love you all so much. Mona come dey patronize Osawe Nigga with you, okay? Una patronize Queen. Make una patronize me. Anything una dey find, una will get am for Queen hand. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Now I'll take get am. God bless you all. I remain your humble lady, Royal Queen Osawe Nigga Wegi. God bless you all. Oh, I love this egusi, not be small. So nice, very neat, very, very neat. No see very, very much neat. So mona inbox Osawe Nigga Wegi business empire. Anything where you define, you'll get am sharp, sharp. God bless you all, and I love you all so much. Bye bye and stay blessed.